Avoid saying, I go airport. Say instead, I'm going to the airport. Avoid saying, where is bus? Say instead, where is the bus stop? Avoid saying, I take taxi. Say instead, I'll take a taxi. Avoid saying, how much fare? Say instead, how much is the fare? Avoid saying, I need map. Say instead, can I have a map, please? Avoid saying, I am lost. Say instead, I'm not sure. Avoid saying, go left. Say instead, turn left. Avoid saying, go straight. Say instead, go straight ahead. Avoid saying, you turn right. Say instead, take a right turn. Avoid saying, I am lost. Say instead, I'm not sure where we are. Avoid saying, where is? Say instead, excuse me, where is? Avoid saying, you are here. Say instead. Avoid saying, I go home. Say instead, I'm going home. Avoid saying, you come over. Say instead, why don't you come over? Avoid saying, we watch movie. Say instead, let's watch a movie. Avoid saying, I call you. Say instead, I'll call you. Avoid saying, we meet tomorrow. Say instead, let's meet tomorrow. Avoid saying, I see you. Say instead, I'll. Avoid saying, thank you very much. Say instead, thanks so much. Avoid saying, I appreciate that. Say instead, I really appreciate it. Avoid saying, you are welcome. Say instead, you're welcome. Avoid saying, I am grateful. Say instead, I'm really grateful. Avoid saying, that is nice. Say instead, that's very kind of you. Avoid saying, I like gift. Say instead, I. Avoid saying, I am fine. Say instead, I'm doing well, thanks. Avoid saying, you are nice. Say instead, you're very kind. Avoid saying, I like that. Say instead, that's really interesting. Avoid saying, what is your name? Say instead, what's your name? Avoid saying, I am happy. Say instead, I'm really happy to be here. Avoid saying, you are right. Say instead, I completely. Avoid saying, I am sorry. Say instead, sorry about that. Avoid saying, my fault is. Say instead, my bad. Avoid saying, I made mistake. Say instead, I messed up. Avoid saying, not my problem. Say instead, my apologies. Avoid saying, I no understand. Say instead, sorry, I didn't catch that. Avoid saying, you are wrong. Say instead. Avoid saying, I want that. Say instead, I'll take that. Avoid saying, how much? Say instead, how much does it cost? Avoid saying, I pay cash. Say instead, I'll pay with cash. Avoid saying, I need help. Say instead, excuse me, can you help me? Avoid saying, where is? Say instead, where can I find? Avoid saying, I need bag. Say instead, can I have a bag? Avoid saying, it is hot. Say instead, it's really hot today. Avoid saying, I like sun. Say instead, I love sunny days. Avoid saying, I hate rain. Say instead, I'm not a fan of rain. Avoid saying, it is cold. Say instead, it's freezing today. Avoid saying, I need umbrella. Say instead, I should bring an umbrella. Avoid saying, weather is bad. Say instead, the weather. Avoid saying, I want food. Say instead, I'll have. Avoid saying, give me water. Say instead, can I have water? Avoid saying, I take coffee. Say instead, I'll take coffee. Avoid saying, how much cost? Say instead, how much does it cost? Avoid saying, I pay now. Say instead, can I pay now? Avoid saying, I need bill. Say instead, can. Avoid saying, I'm Bob. Say instead, hi, I'm Bob. Avoid saying, I am from. Say instead, I'm from. Avoid saying, I do work. Say instead, I work. Avoid saying, I like that. Say instead, I love that. Avoid saying, I am here. Say instead, I'm here. Avoid saying, I go home. Say instead,